Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2019 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle still has fewer than 25,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. The Traverse delivers all-weather capability, sleek styling, a spacious and quiet interior, ample cargo storage, and technology that keeps you safe and connected wherever your adventures may take you. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Maximize comfort, minimize stress. Drive the Traverse.